In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear browsing data in Microsoft Copilot app. If you want to manage your privacy and remove your browsing history from the Microsoft Copilot app on your desktop, this is a simple process and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open the Microsoft Copilot app on your desktop. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving on, so all menu options appear correctly. If you're signed in, that's fine, and if the app takes a few seconds to load, just wait until the main screen is visible. Once you're inside the app, look to the bottom left corner of the window and click on your profile. This is where Microsoft Copilot keeps your account-related options and personal settings. If you don't immediately notice it, take a second to scan the lower left area of the app until you find the profile section. After opening the profile menu, click Settings. This will take you to the main area where you can control how the app works, including preferences related to your account, privacy, and stored activity. Settings is the place you'll usually want to visit anytime you need to adjust how Copilot handles your information. Next, click Privacy. This section is especially important because it contains the controls for your data and history. If your goal is to clear browsing data, this is the exact area you need. Privacy settings are designed to help you review, manage, and remove stored information when needed. From there, select Export or Delete History. This is the option that lets you manage your browsing data directly. If you want to keep a copy of your history before removing it, you can choose the Export option first. If your goal is simply to clear the data, choose the Delete History option instead. Be careful when deleting, since this action may remove stored history that you won't be able to recover later. And that's it. Once you've selected the appropriate history option, you've successfully reached the place in Microsoft Copilot where browsing data can be managed or cleared. This is a useful privacy step to repeat from time to time, especially if you use the app regularly on a shared or personal device. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly clear browsing data in the Microsoft Copilot app.